So Todd, tell me why you're up so early? Huh? Are you checking your Facebook? Let's see. What? What?
You talking to me?
No, I'm talking to Todd. He's checking his his Google AdSense. No one's clicking on his ads on his videos. Oh, gee. Not so good, bud. Please click! Please click on my ads! Watch my videos! They're funny.